Christian Eldebrand of Denmark set the world record for making the world's smallest origami frog. The frog was only 2.7 millimeters long, and he had to use tweezers in order to make the folds. Today I'm going to show you how to make a jumping frog, just as he did, except it's going to be just a little bit bigger. We're going to make it so it's functional to where it actually jumps. What you need for this is a piece of paper. Mine is 6 by 6. Yours can be any size that you like, except I wouldn't suggest going any smaller than 6 by 6. Just make sure that it's a square. So what you want to do is fold your paper in half. Make sure you crease it because we're going to use the creases as guiding lines as we go along. You want to fold the paper in half again. And then once you're finished with that, unfold. We're going to take a corner and go to the midline. And crease again. We're going to take this corner and go to the midline, just like we did with the first one. What you want to do at this point is unfold the flaps and then turn the paper around. Now we are going to do the same thing, but on the opposite side. Now, as you can see, we have X's on either side of the paper. What you want to do is flip it and make sure that you fold each side toward the middle. So we end up with a miniature square. At this point, you want to unfold, and we are going to take this side and this side, and we're going to fold them to touch the middle. Now, in order to do that, we need to pinch and bring toward the middle. Now, at the top, we need to make sure you flatten it down to match the bottom. Again, we do the same thing with the opposite side. And we end up with this. So now we're going to start the legs for our frog. What you want to do is take one corner and fold it toward its opposite corner. And again, take this corner and fold it like so, and do it all the way around. And now for the frog's feet. We need to take each corner again, and we are going to take its base and fold it to the top here. So you take the base and simply fold it over. So you end up with a little flap sticking out. We want to do that all the way around. And it looks like so. Now what we're going to do is turn the frog over. Take one point and sort of fold it over like we did with the main ones, so that we have this nice half diamond shape here. What you want to do is do it with the opposite side. So that it looks like so. But right now we're going to unfold these, take the top, and fold it down towards the middle. Now the little legs won't allow you to fold it very far, so you don't want to try to overdo it because you will rip the legs. So fold it over as far as the legs will let you. And then you have these nice little cubbies here. And what we're going to do is take these ends and put them in the cubbies. Like so. What you want to do is flatten the frog out, flip him over, take the flatter end, not the pointy, and fold towards the middle. This last fold is a little bit more difficult because once we've made so many folds, the paper becomes more thick. So what you want to do is fold this in half. And what you want to do is take this and fold it backwards. Make sure you press down firmly so that it stays. And there we have our jumping frog.